Embarking on the path of innovation, it has carved a niche in crafting professional-grade tools for various trades. In this video, we will showcase the 10 most impressive Ryobi power tools that demand your attention.
Discover the latest and coolest tech gadgets at DTECHTS. Our team thoroughly tests and evaluates new products to bring you a curated list of the newest and coolest gear. We also help you to make a perfect buying guide. We hope you find our selection enjoyable and informative.
Oh, you've got some guests about to arrive, but you haven't even cleaned up your front yard. Now you should pick up this Ryobi R18SW3 to save yourself from those cleaning hassles. This is an easy operable sweeper with excellent maneuverability and control, thanks to its fast-spinning brushes that rotate at 140 RPM for effortless sweeping around the front or backyard of your house. No matter how large your area is, this debris sweeper offers a fantastic runtime of up to 3 hours and 20 minutes to complete the whole task. You can use the R18SW3 to collect dead leaves, grass cuttings, sawdust, wooden offcuts, nails, and screws from various surfaces. It can even be used on pathways, driveways, or garage floors too. No time to explain? You have always wanted a solution to aerate the soil without using handheld shovels. Get your hands on this Ryobi R18CLVH1 cultivator. Although handheld, you don't have to exert much labor when tilling the soil. This tool comes with a super handy design and plenty of power to lessen the total job time. The compact yet lightweight design allows you to access the tightest and most confined spaces where a hand shovel just won't do. The cultivator runs in 3 different speed modes, meaning you can never go wrong when shifting between different soil conditions. With a perfectly positioned handle, it ensures you a firm grip for an all-angled job, and the translucent guard keeps you protected from flying debris. Scrubbing causes time and some annoying bend-downs. As a bonus, if you want to handle all those tasks without a minute of bending down, this Ryobi Telescopic Power Scrubber is exactly what you need. It extends up to 1.3 meters, so you don't need to carry a ladder to reach those high, tough areas. This scrubber is absolutely waterproof, so there'll be no chance of damage when tackling wet situations. Thanks to its adjustable head and quickly attachable scrubbing pads, you can complete any job in any space, expending as little effort as possible. It can also be used for removing cobwebs. Not only that, but you can also use this telescopic scrubber on a variety of other surfaces like boats, cars, pool water lines, or timber decks, bringing a new-like look to them. Whether you're an avid hunter, camping guy, or backpacker, you'll surely need lighting solutions for trips or a torch to use in the shed. Maybe you need a foldable one that takes up the tiniest room in your toolkit and instantly illuminates your workspace. Here's the Ryobi RLCF18 cordless clamp light. It differs from regular ones in terms of versatility, being suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This clamp light stands like your best mate for day-to-day usage. In addition, it comes with a cool combination of a built-in clamp and flexible neck to meet all your bending needs. The fun part begins when you can adjust the lighting width by pulling the lighting head, a narrow beam of 200 lumens and wider beams of 400 lumens. Hold on. You can also set the brightness level between 2 settings easily. If you're a metalworker or maintenance hobbyist, you know the hassle of air compressor grinders. With that in mind, Ryobi designed this compact yet powerful right-angle die grinder for all detailed metalwork. The small size makes getting it into tight spaces a breeze, offering more efficiency than some pneumatic models. When a project involves different types of metals, you can adjust the speed from a 4-mode selector that exactly suits the task, faster for grinding and slower for polishing. The best part of this die grinder is the paddle switch, positioned in the right place, allowing you to control the operation with maximum ease and ultimate precision. Changing the bits is not an issue. Get the right one in just a few minutes. Every woodworking project involves wood trim cutting and molding, and this Ryobi RMS 18190 Mitre saw plays a vital role on your job site. With a compact design and easy usability, this saw is designed with integrated carry handles on both sides, letting you transport the saw easily and allowing quick setup in a workshop space anywhere. It also features a metal material clamp that helps you secure the workpiece for superb stability and pinpoint accuracy with your cuts. This sliding miter saw has a 50 by 245 mm crosscut capacity, meaning you'll get ultimate versatility to deal with a wide range of cutting needs. Even large flanks of wood can be tackled easily with this 3,600 RPM no-load speed. The adjustable miter lock stands to allow you to change and reselect the miter angle. Sometimes a cool breeze is all you want around the job site. What if you can get something that creates a breeze for you anytime, anyplace? This is a compact, take-anywhere fan that keeps you chilled and refreshed while working on tough job sites or on your weekend camping trip. This portable fan comes with a rotatable head that allows you to direct the airflow at the exact angle you want, despite standing on flat surfaces. It also gets mounted on tables, shelves, or anywhere with a rubberized clamp. The fan is lightweight enough to hold in your hand, and most importantly, it is the quietest fan in Ryobi's fan lineup, meaning it won't bother you with annoying sounds. The battery? Well, we're sure you're not going to run it for a constant 13 hours. Sanding applications remain comfortable until you meet some tight corners and awkward spaces. But if you have this Ryobi or 18PF Zero power file in your hand, you'll get quick access to all those areas and get your job done at a faster speed. This belt sander comes with a lightweight design and handy ergonomics, allowing you to operate long without causing fatigue or hand strain. The power file packs several sanding belts that hold true durability to last a long time. Surprisingly, it smoothens nearly all types of project surfaces like metal, wood, concrete, and tiles. You can also use it to remove rust or corrosion paint from outdoor furniture, providing an ideal gripping position. This Ryobi power file ensures maximum strength of gripping. No wonder that belt changing and adjustable speed triggers will improve your productivity by lessening the job time. Where other air compressors are big and bulky, this Ryobi P739 comes in such a size that performance meets portability. However, this little compressor maximizes inflating efficiency with surprising air pressure, getting you out of irritating flat tire situations. It delivers continuous air of up to 120 psi to inflate your standard-sized car tires in just 3 minutes. Plus, it's perfect for turning pneumatic finish nailers into cordless finish nailers. This compressor features a pro-grade locking regulator that helps you keep the airflow set to the intended level. When you need some accessories to store, you can do that conveniently with its metal air hose wrap. There's no doubt about Ryobi's rubber overmolded grip. You'll get the highest comfort for transport. No wonder your neighbors will be surprised after seeing your sharp-edged lawn. But who's behind the result? This is the Ryobi R36XCG10, a perfectly designed ground-mounted edger for landscapers and DIY maintainers. It brings all the controls into your hands, with the only bending down required when you attach the battery. The rest of the task will be completed while standing, allowing you to spend less time making adjustments and more time edging. The best thing about this tool is its super ergonomic handle, allowing you to operate with maximum ease. With all the power in your hands, it often feels like you're driving a bike. You get the desired blade speed for thick grasses and regular edging, and it also allows you to achieve the exact cutting depth you need, offering an extraordinarily polished look for your lawn or front yard. Alright, that was the list of the 10 coolest Ryobi power tools that you need to see.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.